Today's experiment is a simplified version of the old volcano experiment. We won't be building a volcano, but we will be performing the lava part of the experiment. To complete this, we'll need a jar, vinegar, just regular white vinegar, and baking soda. And we will wrap that in a paper towel. The vinegar is a weak acid, while the baking soda is a weak base, and putting the two together will cause an acid-base reaction. Vinegar contains acetic acid and therefore donates hydrogen protons, and baking soda is sodium bicarbonate and will donate OH electrons. When vinegar and baking soda are mixed, reaction takes place in two steps. This is the first equation. Baking soda and acetic acid mix, forming another substance called sodium acetate and carbonic acid. Unfortunately, carbonic acid is not very stable, so then it continues to break down, and the carbonic acid then forms water and carbon dioxide. And we'll actually see the carbon dioxide form in bubbles today. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little piece of my paper towel, and I'm going to put baking soda inside of it. I'm then going to drop it in the jar. And now I'll add the vinegar. We'll see that the bubbles bubble up to the top and just about bubble over. There it goes, just like lava. And this reaction will bubble, and it will continue until there's no longer any excess hydrogen protons or OH electrons left. And then it will settle out, and all that will be left is the water as the carbon dioxide bubbles have left.